Hey there, it's Brittany, and I'm back with the July Magical Mystery Bead Box. Just showed up today. Super excited. Haven't seen any spoilers. Don't know what's in it. Let's see. Let's bust into this thing. Okay, so this is pretty. You know I love sunflowers. So this one says Sunflowers by Vincent van Gogh. I love sunflowers. And I did go see the Vincent van Gogh thing late last year. That was nice. Downtown Phoenix. So what's inside? Fields of, is it, oh goodness, I don't know if that's, is it Arles or Arles? I don't know. I'm sorry. He, she bead strand, the yellow house bead strand, gratitude, friendship, and happiness bead mix, sunflowers mini bead mix, the museum pendant pair, bouquet charm set, chain of blooms, don't lose your earring assortment. That's funny. And golden sunflower clasp. Contents may vary. So here is a camp special. There's a coupon for summer camp. I'll be teaching it at summer camp. And then, yeah, this is really pretty. Let's see what's in here. Right, here's the He, She bead strand. Fields of Arles. Very pretty. I have something very similar from them from when I think it's, I don't know if it was summer camp last year. I can't remember. I know I taught another class. Maybe it was Christmas. I can't remember. But it was similar palette, but it had pink, more pink in it. This is really pretty. I love the two different yellows with the green and blue. Let's see what this is. The yellow house bead strand. This is pretty. Oh, that's a ceramic bead right there. We've got some crystals, and this has got like those micro beads on it. That's a large whole rondelle. That's cool shape. A large bead in the middle, two crystals, and then it repeats itself. Cute. Then here is the gratitude, friendship, and happiness bead mix. Oh. Really pretty. I gotta find some scissors. They're all missing. All right, so let's dump this baby out and see what's in here. These are cute in the context of sunflowers. Those are pretty. Oh, I haven't seen these before in a Jesse James bead mix. Actually, I think they're glass. Oh, I don't know. I don't know what they are. They could be coated gemstones. I mean, I think they're glass though. Two crackle glass beads. Two large blue beads. We've got some frosted yellow. We've got some little cubes, yellow cubes. These are pretty. Some sheriff stars. These little crystal rondelle spacers. Those are nice. And then it looks like, oh, we got some lava in yellow. Some large hole Shambhala beads. These aren't really Shambhala beads, but they're that style. Two larger crystals. Those are pretty. This would be nice on an earring. Some brown crystals. Just a lot of crystals in here. That's a fun mix. Green, amber. And then some briolettes, two-tone briolettes. Those are nice. Oh, and we have a couple bead caps too. That's a pretty big mix. I like that. It's really pretty. I'm gonna put it back in a baggie because I'll be designing with this for a future video in August. All right, and here's the Don't Lose Your Earring assortment. These are fun. Look at these cool ear wires. Those are great. These would be nice to see some wire wrapped crystals or beads around. That is cool. Cute little, well, to me it looks like a sun, but I guess it's supposed to be a sunflower or starburst, I should say. And then there's an opening back here, and you just kind of twist those open and close like you would a jump ring. Those are sweet. I love those. And then we have these. These are kind of cool. Little post earrings. These are like enameled. Very cool. I love those. This is the golden flower clasp. That's fun. Beautiful. It's a nice magnetic flower. Very detailed. Gorgeous. Love that. That's pretty for a bracelet or the front of a necklace. Very nice. Oh, it goes that way. It has a good spot for this to rest. Oh, these are pretty. At the museum pendant pair. Got some cute little sunflower vases with underneath an epoxy or glass cabochon and a setting. Those are really pretty. That would make a cute set of earrings or a necklace and a bracelet or two necklaces. That's really cute. These are pretty. This is the bouquet charm set. So we have a fun sunflower, really pretty. These are cute. Rhinestone inside of an enameled flower. And then we have two gold flowers. Those are really nice. It's a cute little set. All of this stuff together looks fantastic. My goodness. I feel like you could also like just, oh, that would be such a cute little either earring or pendant. And then just glue a post on the back or a jump ring. That might happen in my video. And then we have another mix and some chain. So this one's called Sunflowers Mini Bead Mix. A lot of beads in this box. That's great. Got a chain. I'm sorry, we've got the larger bead mix, 2 strands, and then a mini mix plus charms already. This is like a really big box. All right, so we have some little yellow rounds. Some rectangles, some bling balls, I like to call them, little rhinestone balls. Ooh, these are fun. These are matte gold, little wavy metallic beads. These are really nice too. They're little flowers, like flower embossed beads. Some crystal drops. Ooh, wow. I don't know if you can tell because at first I thought these just looked blue, but they almost kind of glow. They have a nice purple on the inside and like a little bit of green. Those are really pretty. Some cat eye ovals or rice-shaped beads. Nice blue. I like that blue. Some ceramic. 2 smaller tassels. Some tiny spacers, daisy spacers, couple pearls, and some cubes. Those are fun. Those are nice spacers. Some little four-sided beads. These are really, I like those are shiny. I really like those. Some crystal roundel spacers and this funky shape. I like this color too. I would prefer a little bit more brown. I just feel like it's so pretty. It's so pretty. I think brown would have anchored a lot more. But honestly, it's hard to complain when this box is so beautiful. Plus I have brown beads that can be supplemented. And then last but certainly not least is this chain, and I've gotten a quick look. Oh my goodness. It's gorgeous. Gorgeous. And I was actually thinking about getting some connectors that kind of look like these 8s. A little bit different, but I was thinking about getting some because there was a necklace that I wanted to make that was wire wrapping with some connectors kind of like that. This chain is amazing. A long time ago I had some antique brass connectors that looked like these. We've got the figure 8s, jump rings, and soldered closed rings. This is like 4 different components in this chain. It's amazing. It's gorgeous. It's lovely. It's my favorite chain I've seen in a very long time. Wow. I love this. So pretty. I think my favorite thing was this chain, and I really liked these, and I really liked these. So, I mean, everything was just so gorgeous, really well put together, beautiful. I love sunflowers so much, so it's all up my alley. I'm impressed. Please tell me what your favorite thing was, and stay tuned for a tutorial in August using some of these items, or, well, using the box. I hope you have a good day. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for Goldie. Please like, subscribe, and share. Bye-bye. You are such a lazy bones. Yeah, I'm talking to you. I saw that ear move. Such a lazy bones. You're taking your pre-bedtime nap, huh? We get an after morning wake-up nap, a midday nap, after lunch siesta, after dinner siesta, before bedtime nap, and then bedtime. But we're at the before bedtime nap, right?